Good morning, everybody. I extend my sincere thanks to all the delegates who are attending this conference. It was really a very difficult job to organize conference in a conference which was scheduled to be in 21. Now we are doing it after rescheduling many times. We are doing in 22. With the grace of God Almighty God, we could make it a history and a marvelous conference. That APICON 77th APICON 2022 is a great historical success. Friends, your involvement in the conference was very important. We are thankful to everyone who was participating in this conference. The scientific program was very good and it was very updating. We had a very exciting and wonderful scientific program drafted by Dr. Shyam Sundar, Chairman Scientific Committee, and everybody updated their knowledge with this scientific program. The most important part, the success of any conference depends upon the number of delegates who are attending the conference, and here to our expectation, much more to our expectation, more than 6,000 delegates and 1,000 accompanying person were there. So it was really a very successful and very good conference. I would like to extend my thanks to the organizing committee led by Dr. Puneet Saxena, that they have, with their honest efforts, with their dedication, sincerity, they made it a successful conference. So friends, it was true, and our hospitality, you have given the chance Rajasthan to host all of you. Thank you very much, and again Jai Hind, Jai API, Jai Bharat.